So you're looking for playing World of Tanks Blitz on your computer, but you don't know how to actually install it and play it. My name is Marcus and I'm going to show you the way. The first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you'll get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing platform and emulator that you can use for playing mobile games. So you want to click download Ldplayer, and then what is going to happen is that you need to install it. And I create also a tutorial on that in the description. So let me show you how to do it. You're going to download it, you're going to open it, and then you're going to press install. You're going to press reject those softwares. And you just have to wait until it's going to load. And then you press start. Now, when you're going to have it, it's going to install for you. And then you're going to press system applications and Play Store. And here you're going to sign in. And that's pretty much it. So you're going to sign in, and then you're going to just write here World of Tanks Blitz. And you're going to press install. And you just have to wait until it's going to load and install for you. And press play. Okay, you have to log in. And now 300 free space. So let's say internal memory. And you just wait until it's going to load and install for you. And confirm. Okay, battle. So this is how you move. You see, and VASD is you're gonna move. And then you're gonna use the mouse here to move with your okay, missed. And I'm hitting him hard. Okay, and destroyed him. And that's pretty much how we can use the World of Tanks Blitz on your computer. So have a great day and goodbye.